Once you've connected your grain buyer to the FBN app, you'll always start at the Market Home screen. The Market Home screen gives you multiple quick launch buttons to choose from. In addition to the quick launch buttons, Market Home displays useful information on the tool tiles. Use the information to view contract tasks, deliveries, or bids. The News and Analysis feature provides insight from FBN experts. To view the News and Analysis features, tap on the View button on the bottom of the tile. Market Home's features were designed to give you control of your FBN app.